Hi, Jeff Salmons with Houseworks.
Hey everybody, I'm Pam with Inspect It Like a Girl.
And I'm Jason from Fix It 101.
We're going to show you a few tips on how to maintain your home. Let's talk about installing a disposal. Fairly simple, couple things that we're going to go over. This port right here is for your dishwasher. Make sure you put a screwdriver in there and knock that out. Secondly, once you get your disposal installed and it gets clogged up and it won't work anymore, inside the disposal box is this Allen wrench. You can put it right here and you can turn it, and 9 times out of 10 fix that without calling a repair person or a plumber. Secondly, there is a button right here. It's your reset button. Check those two things before you call a professional to come out. Also, this is quite nice. This is a push button that you can put on your countertop that will activate your disposal.